Hey, Jacob. Jacob. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Come here. Come back. Come on. Jacob. Come on back. Come on. Come on. This way. Come on. You say hi? Say hi. Hi. No, right that way. Jacob. Jacob. No, this way. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. Jacob! 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 I'm gonna get you. Go get Jordan. Go get Jordan. Don't pick them. Say flowers. Why don't you go play with Jordan? You say bye-bye. Look, there's Jordan. Ah!
When I'm up in, I will kick it and I will do it, I will do it. When I say I will be, I will do it.
Oh, he just threw it in the street. Watch out for cars.
Yes. When I say I will be, when I do it, I will say and I'll do it, and I'll do it, and I'll do it. Yeah!
Yay!
Then I'll do and then I will say.
Jordan, are you excited for kindergarten to come?
Woohoo! Yeah!
Yeah? What are you excited about?
Doing real band
Art?
room and stuff.
Okay.
And I like learning and I wanna.
You gonna learn how to read more?
Yep. Some
Yeah?
books I know how to learn a little bit.
Yeah.
I can hit balls with my bat a lot. Good.
Okay. What else do you think you're gonna learn about?
I went over for a sleepover with Grandma and Granddad.
In kindergarten?
And I hit a ball with my bat on Granddad's leg.
You wanna go help Jacob?
That is a man.
He's at someone else's house. See, that's not our house. That's not our house, baby.